In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to annotate in Zoom. If you've ever wanted to highlight a point, circle an area on your screen, or write quick notes that everyone can see during a meeting, annotation is your best friend. It's built right into Zoom's screen sharing, and once you know where to look, it's fast and intuitive. First, begin your screen share. Look along the meeting controls and click the Share button. A panel opens showing the windows and screens you can present. Choose exactly what you want others to see, either a specific app window or your entire desktop. Then confirm to start sharing. You'll know you're sharing when you see a colored border around the shared area and a small toolbar at the top of your screen. A quick tip here: pick the view that keeps your audience focused. Sharing a single window minimizes distractions, while sharing your whole screen is helpful if you plan to jump between apps. Next, access the annotation tools. Move your mouse to the top edge of your screen to reveal the Share toolbar, then click Annotate. This opens the annotation panel, which floats near the top. If it doesn't appear right away, hover again near the top until the controls slide down. You're still sharing your screen. The annotation panel is just your toolkit for marking things up in real time. Now, start the annotation. Select a tool that fits what you want to do. Use Draw to freehand lines or choose shapes for clean rectangles, circles, and arrows. The text tool lets you type callouts right on the screen, great for quick labels or short instructions. If you need to point something out dynamically, the spotlight or arrow tools act like a laser pointer, so attention follows your cursor. Click Format to adjust color and line thickness. High contrast colors like red or yellow are easiest for viewers to spot. Made a mistake? Use Undo to step back or the eraser to remove specific marks. If you want a clean slate, Clear wipes the annotations so you can move on to the next point. As you annotate, talk your audience through what you're highlighting. Pause briefly while drawing so viewers can follow the movement, and keep shapes simple to avoid clutter. If you need to reference multiple areas, annotate one idea at a time, clear, and continue. That rhythm keeps your message crisp and easy to understand. And that's all there is to it. Share your screen, open the annotation panel, and start marking up your content with clarity and confidence. With a little practice, annotation becomes a natural part of your Zoom workflow.